I've never been more reliant on a piece of protective equipment other than the military than I am right now. Alright guys, here we go. God almighty, that's scary. I'm freaked out right now. They are trying to break in my mast right now and kill me. So I'm messing with their hive. This is like a $42 suit from Amazon. So I really hope it, I mean, it's protecting me so far. There's the queen, you see the blue? That's the queen. Wow, this is like a new fear unlocked, not gonna lie. Okay, they are trying to kill me. Where did I put the lid? Oh, here we go. I'm gonna put this on the lid just to keep it weighed down a little bit. There we go. Got the sugar water right there. I'm right here. My escape vehicle's right here. Wow. What are we getting ourselves into? Alrighty, hopefully these guys get away from me. Alright guys, see you later. Thanks for watching. Talk to you later.